Hello student, my name is Mohammad Javed and I am a student of PIAC Bootcamp 2020 and I am also learning less like you. So I have just uploaded this Bootcamp 2020 class 9 practice. I used mixed UI and instead I have mm, created this repository and uploaded my project here. Bootcamp 2K 20K class 9 31 mix UI components on the surge I have uploaded. In this project you will see the icon buttons, home icon, buttons, different variations, text buttons, outline buttons, upload buttons, which is to upload any document, to take the picture from your camera or document. This is simple text button, small size, medium size, large size with filled color, icon button which are different sizes, deletes and text with icon label, and only these are the buttons like I will show you in the code. What I created, I have created simple React app and I have used these commands whatever available in this React Material UI installation command, and after that I have used these two links in the HTML file, and I started going to components, and one by one all components examples I have put here. So suppose there is a box, so in my app.js file you will see the headings, you will see the box, and you will see another box, third box, then home icon. So if you will go in this example box, I copied there, and there is next container. In the container next you will see a name flood. So if you see this code, I have created simple container .js command which is over here, and after these home icons you will see I created icons, buttons, and down I have created simple container.js. Inside simple container.js what I did, all this code I placed, and of course this function name I have imported in the app.js. This one. After that you will see next material icon on my project, which is images button. You will see button and backside there is images. So if you'll go on this react, I'm sorry, this website, React Material, you will see container, and that if you will press next, grid. Inside grid you will see 1 2 3 grids that is available in my project also. After container, these are the grids available. Spacing, yeah, I have added also this 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you will see, this is available. Then flood grids means this 12 column, 6 column, 2 and 4 of each 3 columns you will find here. Then this is complex grid I have added for your practice. You will see here um, grid list interactive. This I have skipped, I think this one. And after that you will see the text colors. So whatever was the possible, I have copied from all these things and I have started making this project. So in the grid list you will see image only grid list, just like this. In my project you will see only one grid, one image I have added, this one. two grids I have added. If you want to add more, so you will go and add here image grid list, and here what you will do, you will add another image array, one more, and later on we will add the pictures. So because it's loading here and I have to upload on git, so this I have to upload yarn start, meaning to say what I did, I have copied all the material UI code available here, image only grid list, and after that you will see grid list with title bar. Here is the title bar. You will see in my project title bar with the start, and this is button, and after that you will see basic button group. So hidden I skipped. In the input section you will see buttons, and inside buttons you will see button default button. These are all I have added in my project. I have shown upside here all buttons I have added before. So a number of collections you can track practice. After button group you will see the check boxes. These all buttons I have added also here. This is coming. So I have some mistake, images are not loaded, but I have moved forward. Later on I will resolve this problem. And inside the button group you see 1 2 3 I already added. So what you will do, you will copy this code from this, and you will see this code and you will see this button group. You will copy and go here and create a simple new JS file, which already I have created. Suppose I .js, it will not allow me because I already have. I will delete this one, basic button group, and pasted this code here, this button group. And of course this function I have to copy also in this app.js basic button group. So if you will count these all, so from 34, from 4 to 35, total 31 material UIs I have added. So all are working here. Split button, just like you want something. These are disabled. Elevation buttons, these are check boxes, all working fine. This is disabled. Checkbox label, these checkboxes without label. Here are, you see, you can see the labels, hard type, and this is two-way grid checkboxes. In this label placement, you will see the text above the checkbox, before the checkbox, bottom the checkbox, end of the checkbox. In the last, I have just added these buttons. These are called navigated floating action buttons. So you can also do, and hope you will enjoy and visit my this project URL. Thank you very much.